can push buttons. I can't. Mom always get us push buttons.
You just wanted to push the Xbox?
Yes, but Mom can't.
Well, why didn't she?
I did crazy about me. But I got to push buttons.
Well, did you tell her?
I just want you to.
Did you tell her you're allowed to push buttons for Super Y?
Yes.
What'd she say?
I said I can't imagine how I get but I gotta be quiet. But Mom was I yell, but I want to push buttons.
On the Xbox though, right?
I never did. Mom, I'd be good. How this want to this pay this a back push buttons on my Super Y.
Mommy is good though. Mommy loves you.
Mom can't end me all paintings, but her always wants this pay game. This tail, I can't write. I told her that this or this her toe is gonna be now like her told me the truth. I can't.
Mommy told you the truth?
I can't do it.
Did Mommy tell you the truth?
Mom told me the truth. I can't